I have a mystery box from Lethal Cosmetics. So if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe and Dexter are off doing Chloe and Dexter things. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fashion, beauty, mystery boxes, collabs, giveaways. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so I'm so excited to see what's inside of here. I believe this was $49, but I will check and let you know up here if I can find that invoice. I'm not mad about this. I see a full-size palette in here. All right, let's start with the top. Right on top, we have from their Avatar collection a makeup sponge. Next, we have their Charged mascara. Now, I don't know if I have anything from Lethal. If I do, it's maybe a palette, maybe. Ooh, it's just the kind of wand that I love, because that usually means it's a tubing mascara. So this will go right into rotation. Not that I don't have a million still in the box, but super excited to try this brand out. Ooh, we have two singles. One is a multi-chrome. You can see it's kind of purple when you looked at it that way, blue, and then this deep purple matte. Put it on the back of my hand, that may be a little easier. Dude, that is, oh. And these were pretty expensive. I feel like these were, the multi-chromes were like around $17 each for the singles, because I was like, well, to get free shipping, I need to spend this much. What else could I get? Then I was like, no, it's just too much. And the last item in here is their serpentine. All right. So, I guess I should have taken those off. She does not disappoint. Look at them. All right. So this is a sampling of the shimmers. And they do not look like duo or multi-chromes, just shimmers, but beautiful, beautiful shimmers. Let's check out their matte formula. Very buttery. The fourth one up here is a light green. It's kind of hard to see though. That you would really need to build. But super gorgeous. All right. So what were your thoughts? I mean, the palette alone, I think, is worth the price of admission, to be honest. And I think there's some real super usable colors in here. It's just kind of how you're using them, right? So you could use all of the bold, beautiful brights together, or you can do like some of the lighter ones and then throw in those pops of color, maybe even very lightly. So there's no reason you couldn't use this one right here. Oh wait, that does flip. I'm seeing some blue to green. Like it looks lime green there, but there we go. See a little flip there? Okay. So you can just put a little bit of that like right there. Okay, well, my rosacea is getting out of control. I don't know why, but whew, I am turning beet red. So that must mean my time is up. So let me know your thoughts. What'd you think of this palette? What'd you think of the box in total? I think it was totally worth it. Like, again, I think the palette alone was probably close to a $49 value. If it's on their website, I will, you know, had put the prices up there. But boy, I'll tell you, this multi-chrome, amazing. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. But let me know your thoughts down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.